The Nissan Z series has always held a special place in the hearts of driving enthusiasts. From the iconic 240Z to the powerful 370Z, the legacy of Nissan's sports coupes has been built on bold design, high-revving performance, and an engaging driving experience. And now, in 2026, Nissan is bringing back the 370Z with a futuristic twist that balances retro charm with modern tech. Welcome to Z Autoadvisor. In this video, we dive deep into the all-new 2026 Nissan 370Z, a car that promises to thrill a whole new generation of drivers. Design: classic Z DNA, modernized. The 2026 Nissan 370Z brings forward a beautifully evolved version of its predecessor's muscular design. Sleeker lines, more aerodynamic contours, and a wider stance give the car a bolder presence on the road. The long hood and short rear deck retain the classic Z silhouette, but with a futuristic edge. At the front, a newly styled grille with Z-specific detailing adds aggression, while updated LED headlights pay homage to the original Z cars with their circular daytime running lights. The rear features a minimalist taillight design that screams modern performance, with quad exhausts hinting at the beast beneath the hood. Performance: turbocharged and track-ready. Under the hood, the 2026 370Z is no longer naturally aspirated. Instead, it features a new 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, the same heart used in the current Z model, but retuned for improved throttle response and more torque across the rev band. The engine now produces around 430 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque, making it the most powerful production Z car to date. Mated to a 6-speed manual gearbox as standard, the 370Z continues to cater to purists, while an optional 9-speed automatic transmission is available for those who prefer paddle-shifting precision. With a refined suspension setup and lighter chassis components, the 2026 model delivers sharp, predictable handling on both highways and winding roads. Interior: driver-focused and digitally enhanced. Inside, the 2026 Nissan 370Z feels like a cockpit built for adrenaline. The layout remains driver-centric, but modernized with new materials and tech features. A 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster offers customizable performance data, while a large infotainment screen supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Nissan's latest connectivity suite. Premium leather-trimmed sport seats, contrast stitching, and aluminum accents add to the sense of occasion. A new Bose sound system ensures the right soundtrack accompanies your drive, though most Z enthusiasts might prefer the growl of the exhaust note over any playlist. Technology and safety: smart meets sport. Even though it's a performance-first car, the 2026 370Z doesn't compromise on safety or convenience. The latest Nissan Safety Shield 360 suite is included, offering adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. There's also a performance data recorder built in, allowing drivers to log and analyze their track days. Wireless charging, real-time navigation with performance overlays, and over-the-air software updates round out the tech package, making this Z the most connected model ever released. Price and trims: accessible thrill machine. Nissan has managed to keep the 370Z within reach of true enthusiasts. The base model starts around $45,000, offering impressive value for its performance. A sportier, track edition, climbs closer to $55,000, adding Brembo brakes, carbon fiber trim, and enhanced cooling systems. For those who want the full experience, a limited, Heritage Z model pays homage to the original 1970s Z cars with retro paint and badges. Final verdict: a true driver's car reborn. The 2026 Nissan 370Z is more than just a facelift, it's a rebirth. It takes everything that made the original Z cars beloved: style, performance, and raw driving feel, and infuses it with modern technology and power. For driving purists, it's one of the few remaining sports cars that still offers a manual gearbox, rear-wheel drive, and no excuses. For tech lovers, it's a showcase of Nissan's new digital capabilities. If you're looking for a machine that bridges the gap between nostalgia and innovation, the 2026 370Z may just be your perfect ride. And remember, you're watching Z Autoadvisor, where the road meets the future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most exciting cars.